Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at navigating your pages when it comes to the print job report, and this will be for FabriCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make sure and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we'll head back into the program here. Like I said, today we're going to be looking at some page navigation. So if we head here to our print feature with our project open. Now, it's the first time I'm starting it today, so I might have to enter these info quick. So I'm going to go am.co.za and then sample description. Okay, unfortunately this does not save it to your project. I would have liked it if it did. So every time you close your program and reopen it, you're going to have to fill in this information. Now once it is open, we're going to be looking at navigating our pages. Now if I zoom in on top here, so we can see we've got these little arrows and a number and a / number plus. So now this is kind of an indicator which page you're on, but also actually more, should I say, it's not an indicator of which page you're on, it's an indicator of how many pages there are on this actual document. Now the first time you open it, it's going to just show you 1+, which meaning there's more than one. So you unfortunately have to navigate through it in order for it to give you an accurate reading. So now from our settings over here, let's just cover them. So now these two little arrows is probably the most important. So this will go to the next page to the right, and this will go to the previous page on the left. Now you'll see these two are grayed out and will only be active once I click this. Now you can see we can use these two. Now the last one here is go to the last page. So let's say you've got 100 pages, you can click that and it'll skip right to the back. And same with the other side, it'll go to the first page, so it'll go all the way to the left. Then next to that, we've got the current page you are on. So currently, as you can see, we're on page 2. It says page 2 out of 2+, which means it's more than 2. And then once we reach the end, so let's go to page 3. Now we can see the plus is gone and it just says out of 3. So now if we had to go back to the first page, we'll see it says 1 out of 3. So like I mentioned earlier, that the first time you start it, unfortunately, it just tells you there's more than one page. Then once you've navigated through it, it'll tell you how many pages there are. So then, otherwise that is it on the page navigation. So just a quick recap again. So we have our little arrow keys here, which will go to the right and left. So next page, previous page, and then we have ones that skip all the way to the end or all the way to the beginning. And then to the right of that, we have the current page number we're on. And then it will also show next to that how many pages is there altogether. But otherwise that is it on the page navigation. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.